Alright, let's talk drones. Not the backyard toys you fly for fun, but the game changers of the modern battlefield. Military drones have transformed how wars are fought, and if you're a military enthusiast like me, you know they're more than just eyes in the sky. Picture this, it's the middle of the night. A drone is circling thousands of meters above, silent, almost invisible. Down below, a squad moves in, relying on real-time footage. No more guessing what's behind the next ridge or around the corner. The drone's already been there, seen that. That's the power of ISR. Intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance. It's not just about spying, it's about giving troops exactly what they need, when they need it. And it saves lives. But it goes further. Armed drones, like the MQ-9 Reaper or the Turkish Bayraktar TB2, bring the fight to the enemy without risking a pilot's life. Guided missiles, laser targeting, strikes so precise they can take out a single vehicle in a convoy. There's a reason these drones have become famous or infamous, depending on which side you're on. Here's what's wild though. It's not just the big players anymore. Smaller, cheaper drones are flooding the battlefield. They can jam signals, drop grenades, even act as decoys. Imagine dozens of drones swarming a tank column. How do you defend against that? This is the new era of warfare. Fast, unpredictable, and evolving with every conflict. And here's where the real story is. Every advance comes with new challenges. Hackers try to jam drone signals. Engineers race to build anti-drone defenses. It's a high-stakes game of cat and mouse, with technology as the weapon and the shield. If you're fascinated by strategy, tactics, and tech, you're in the right place. I dive deep into the stories and secrets behind military innovation. So if you want more on drones, tanks, or anything that goes boom, hit subscribe. Let's explore the future of warfare together. Thanks for watching.